Hey there! Welcome to the CS Flatmates, where computer science meets fun. If you've ever felt like OS concepts are harder to crack than a coding interview, don't worry. I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into what is a race condition. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll get it without pulling an all-nighter. So, let's jump right in. Let's learn what is a race condition. Imagine two people trying to withdraw money from the same bank account at the same time using two different ATMs. If both transactions read the same balance before either updates it, the account might get debited twice without reflecting the correct balance. That's a race condition. In technical terms, a race condition occurs when two or more processes or threads access shared data concurrently, and the outcome depends on the timing of their execution. Without proper control, this leads to unpredictable results. Next, see why does it happen? A race condition happens when multiple processes or threads are competing to access and modify a shared resource at the same time, but there's no proper control over who gets there first. Because of this, the final outcome depends on the timing of execution, which makes the system unpredictable and buggy. Imagine you and your friend both want to book the last concert ticket online. You both select the last ticket at the same time. You click book, and at the exact same time, your friend also clicks book. Now the system gets confused. Who should get the ticket? If there's no proper control, the system might accidentally give the ticket to both or reject both transactions. This happens because both of you raced to book the ticket, but the system didn't handle the competition properly. This is exactly what happens in race conditions inside computers. This happens because shared resource, the resource that multiple processes want to access at the same time. Concurrent access, multiple processes or threads are running at the same time and trying to access or modify the same resource. Lack of synchronization. There is no proper control mechanism to decide who gets access first. The system should lock the resource while one process is using it. But if there's no lock, the outcome is random and unpredictable. What are the consequences? Incorrect results. The system shows wrong values. Inconsistency. Data may become inconsistent, like two people buying the last concert ticket. Crashes and bugs. Systems might crash, or bugs might surface later when conditions align perfectly for failure. Security vulnerabilities. Hackers exploit race conditions to gain unauthorized access. How do we solve it? We can fix race conditions using synchronization mechanisms. Let's go over a few. First one, locks or mutex. Imagine locking the bathroom door while using it. Only one process can enter the critical section at a time. Second one, semaphores, like traffic lights at a busy intersection, controls the flow of processes. Third one, atomic operations. No interruption is allowed while updating shared data, like reserving a table at a restaurant. Once done, no one else can take it. Fourth one, monitors or condition variables. Acts as a guard, ensuring no one enters until the resource is free. Fifth one, avoid shared resources. If possible, avoid sharing at all. It's like giving everyone their own cookie jar. Let's go back to the ATM example. Without synchronization, Alice and Bob both check the balance equal to 100 rupees. Alice withdrew 70 rupees. Then the balance should be 30 rupees. Bob withdraws 50 rupees. Then the balance should be 30 rupees, as withdrawing 50 rupees is not possible from 30 rupees. But since Bob checked before Alice's transaction was recorded, the balance might wrongly show 50 rupees. Result, incorrect balance. With synchronization, Alice locks the account, withdraws 70 rupees, updates the balance to 30 rupees and unlocks it. Now Bob checks the balance, sees 30 rupees and decides accordingly. Result, correct balance. A race condition is like having too many chefs in the kitchen. Without coordination, dishes get messed up. In OS, Preventing race conditions is crucial to maintaining data integrity, avoiding crashes, and ensuring security. Whenever multiple threads or processes try to access shared resources, lock the resource, control access, keep things organized. That's a wrap. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like. It really helps. And if you think your friends could use a little OS wisdom, go ahead and share it with them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. See you in the next one. Until then, happy learning.